right, guys, let's work on 54 together. 54 of 5.4, it's about percentages. The chart on the right shows information about the homeschool distance of the 837 students at Cathedral School. In other words, first in English, about the distance there is between their house and the school. De afstand tussen huis en school. And now, how many students are living more than 10 kilometers away from school? So let's take a look at the pie chart. That's called cirkeldiagram or pie chart. Yeah. So 10 kilometers, that's the pink one, that's 9%. So 9%. Let's calculate 9% of 837 students. What you do then is 0.09 multiplied by 837, because the decimal that belongs to 9% is 0.09. If you don't know it for the now I want to say for the 100th time, but it's not true, you divide by 100, yeah? You calculate it, you have your calculator with you. Let's see what you will have. When you multiply it, you get 75.33. So it is 75.33, but it's about students. So we round to whole numbers and we round down, so it will become 75 students. Let's go to question B. How many students live closer than 5 kilometers? Closer than 5 kilometers means minder dan 5. So we're looking at the salmon color. So between 0 and 2 kilometers is 45%. And we're also looking at the green, which is 2 to 5 kilometers. So we add the 29%. So students that live closer than 5 kilometers is a total of 74%. Okay, 74% of 837 is 0.74 times 837. You will get, if you calculate it on the calculator, you will get about 619 students. Please round carefully. If you still struggle, write down this intermediate step and then the total amount. Yeah, and that's actually in the answers, they're not doing it, but I actually want that, because let's say you made a mistake. Let's say you say 619.38 and then you say it's 620. I still give you points for this part. Yeah, but it's 619. All right. Then they say out of the students that live closer than 2 kilometers, 28% walks to school. How many students is this? How many students walk to school? So we know that 45% lives closer than 2 kilometers, right? So that is, let's calculate how many students is that. You get 0.45 times 837. That is 376.65. You round it, you get 377 students. Of these students, 28% walks. So 28% of 377. You calculate that, 0.28 times 377. You know you get here an intermediate step. And then when you round it, you get 106 students that walk to school, because 45% of the whole school lives closer than 2 kilometers away. All right.